Item in Inquirer, the need for the bill on right to reply, is very important. So that before you come up with any news item, you have to validate the source and, make sure that the news that is being written down is correct. So I do not blame
Ma'am, pwedeng
for
shaken?
Congressman Richard.
Shaken?
There's no need, because in the first place, there was no issue to contend with.
If you read the statement of our new chairwoman, she merely said that as far as the senatorial campaign is concerned, I am the guy responsible, and it is true, I am the guy responsible for the senator. Ngayon, kung may nagreklamo, talaga gusto lang magpagandad yun. But the only amount that was released by the party to the campaign is 90 million pesos. So if you divide it by 6, at 15 million yun. Parang nagbigay ka lang ng pondo sa mga tumatagpong barangay captain ng Quezon City.
So, I think everybody's taken their picture and we now proceed with